Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Rokinon 35 1.4 AF autofocus lens. This is a brand new lens. I got this on sale on Amazon. Normally it's like $5.40 and it was on sale for $4.90, so that's a pretty good deal. Oh, this is for my Sony, by the way. This is not for Canon. I also just got a 85 from Viltrox. I've never heard of them before for Sony. It was also a new release from them too, at least new to me. Okay. Here is the instruction manual. Here is the little lens package. Wow, it's actually a nice little pouch to keep it in. Okay, I'm not using a tripod to film this right now, so it's probably really shaky. So there it is. Comes with a lens cap, hood cap. Alright guys, so there it is. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.